Brace yourself for leeches. These parasitic creatures are not to be underestimated. Did you know there are over 700 species of leeches? And guess what? Leeches have 32 brains. That's right, 32. These slimy critters are brainy and super flexible, making them efficient parasites. Some leeches can live up to 10 years. Imagine dealing with these bloodsuckers for that long. While they have medical uses, their primary role is as bloodsuckers, often causing harm to their hosts. Beware. Next time you see a leech, remember its parasitic nature. They're not just harmless creatures. Thanks for watching. Stay cautious and stay informed.